The brickyard, the neighborhood, was mostly Italian people.
Almost all Italian people.
The heavy rain kept falling while the procession carried his coffin through the village where his compadres, just a crayon yellow, yesterday were breaking bread with sun-dried tomatoes, sipping wine as if time had no say-so. On the back porch, the evening torch burned with the yearning of a shrine, turning soil for the next turned spine. His only son with the back of a camel and sausage black fingers about to handle the splintery cross, uphill through the wintry frost, but no chill could freeze the focus of the faithful. Some things you never forget. It was an autumn East Village afternoon. Always trying to escape the shadow of things. How many exorcisms can you do? Until the demon flies inside you. I haven't Scots all day, so I'll get right down to it. What I do seems kind of fluid and flows. It moves, it doesn't have to be pushed like it fell into a bush. Ah, the burning one. Did you know that? I am concerned, my son. It's just me, the rock light. Did you know that I don't stop? People when they feel they have nothing to appeal, nothing to offer, bring to the table. Everyone just still won't get over. What am I?
Rocco, this is Pasquale, please give me a call.
Hello, okay, that's Zia Cesarina. You told me when I'm gonna do the tribe, you wanna see it.
We can keep it. It was good.
Everybody's eating it.
We have a reunion every year. The main dish is tripe. And there's like over 300 guys that come. And think of it, tripe is the main dish.
How do you get the smell? How do you get over the smell?
You
Open the windows.
You open the windows.
Okay, I'll try it.
Now, that is ridiculous.
Thanks to our technical knowledge, we shall show you clear motion pictures of our rockets as they fly towards the strategic targets of the enemy.
Come on, come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Come on.
The Brinks robbery, they came down to check the tunnel in my house.
Yeah.
So when they came to the door, I said, "Can I help you?" They said, "We're FBI. We want to see check the tunnel." I said, "How do you know I have a tunnel?" They says, "We know everything." I said, "Well, the tunnel's been blocked for years. We got to check it." So they went down. They checked. They saw it was blocked. When they were leaving, I said, "You know who robbed the Brinks?" He says, "No." I said, "I thought you knew everything."
Yeah, that's a good.
If something was stolen in the North End that, if somebody questioned, it was usually Billy. He'd steal your camera. He'd steal people's cameras off their backs. He'd just steal anything. And there was another kid, Ponzo, who used to steal too. And they used to say, if it wasn't stolen by Dolan, it was Gonzo by Ponzo.
the rocks in your head.